Good morning everyone. Today we are presenting strategic management of Starbucks. Starbucks is one of the world's most recognized premium coffee brands, but it didn't start as a coffee house. It was founded in 1971 in Seattle by Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel and Golden Booker. Initially, Starbucks started only selling high-quality coffee beans and equipments. In 1982, Howard Schultz joined the company. After visiting Italy, he was inspired by their cafe culture and introduced the concept of coffee house experience, a place where people could relax, work, and socialize. In 1987, he acquired Starbucks and expanded it globally. Today, Starbucks operates in more than 80 countries and has over 38,000 stores worldwide. Now, Krishna will explain the products and scale of operations.
Starbucks offer a wide variety of products. This include hot beverages like latte, cappuccino, espresso, while cold beverages like frappuccino and cold brew, teas and non-coffee drinks, while other bakery items and snacks. Starbucks also offer packaged coffee and merchandise. This also have digital services like Starbucks Rewards to program and mobile ordering and delivery. In terms of scale, Starbucks has more than 38 stores globally. It has strong presence in countries like USA, China, Japan and India through Tata Starbucks. It also sources coffee ethically from Latin America, America and Asia Pacific. Now Kushal will explain the strategies used by Starbucks.
At the corporate level, Starbucks focuses on global expansion while maintaining brand consistency. It enters new markets through joint ventures like Tata Starbucks in India. Its main business level strategy is differentiation. Instead of competing on low prices, Starbucks offers premium quality coffee and a unique store experience. It positions itself as a third place, a place between home and work. The comfortable sitting for free Wi-Fi and personalized name on cup culture creates emotional connection and strong customer loyalty. Now Disha will explain functional strategies.
At the functional level, Starbucks focuses on marketing, operations, HR and finance. In marketing, it uses emotional branding and strong social media presence. In operations, it maintains strict quality control from sourcing to roasting to store delivery. And in HR, employees are called as partners and are given training and benefits. So Starbucks also has a very strong digital strategy. Its mobile app allows ordering, payments and personalized offers. The loyalty program increases repeat purchases and customer engagement. Now Anushka will explain change management and conclude.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, Starbucks showed strong change management. It expanded drive-thru services and increased mobile ordering and contactless payments. It closed underperforming stores and focused on digital-first formats like pickup-only stores. It also supported employees with financial and mental health benefits. To conclude, Starbucks' success is based on premium differentiation, digital innovation, ethical sourcing, effective change management, strong brand positioning. Starbucks is not just selling coffee, it is selling experience, lifestyle and emotional connection. Thank you.